Assalamualaikum and very good day. So today we have a new topic for KNC 1482, vector algebra. So under this topic you will learn about scalars and vectors. So if there's only distance or temperature, what I mean is the quantities like distance or temperature are represented by real number in appropriate unit. For instance, 5 meter or 10 degree Celsius. So these quantities are called scalars. Okay, but if there is a magnitude and direction associated with them, so this is what we call vectors. For example, force, velocity and magnetic field. Next, to express a vector A, we have to know the coordinate of the starting point, the coordinate of the end point with respect to a fixed coordinate system. So the arrow in the picture indicates the direction, and the length of its measure in the coordinate system is the magnitude of the vector. So magnitude of vector A is written as modulus A ataupun ni lah. Okay. Sometimes only A, ada yang tulis A sahaja. Any vector along the direction of A but having unit magnitude is called unit vector. So you have to differentiate between vector and scalar. You should be able to differentiate what is a vector and what is scalar. Okay. Next, to construct a vector algebra, arithmetic is mathematical operation. We have 4 mathematical operation with numbers. Okay, algebra is mathematical operation with symbols. Therefore, vector algebra must be mathematical operation with vectors. The unit and zero entities are already defined. Some basic rules are to be defined to construct the algebra. Okay, scalars and vector equality. Two vectors, let's say we have vector A and vector B, are equal if and only if they have the same modulus and the same direction and sense. We write this in the usual way, A equals B. Multiplication by a scalar, scalar ni dia tak ada direction, tak ada magnitude ya. If lambda is a scalar and the vector are related by A equals lambda B, then if lambda bigger than 0, A is a vector in the same direction as B with magnitude lambda times the magnitude of B. Kalau lambda less than 0, A is a vector in the opposite direction to B with magnitude magnitude lambda times the magnitude of B. Maksudnya kalau kita ada direction positive or bigger than 0, maksudnya dia adalah ke sana lah. Kalau negatif, maybe in this direction. Parallel vector maksudnya dia ada macam ni. Okay, parallel vector. Next, modulus. The modulus of length or magnitude of vector is written as can be written as this one ataupun this one. Kena ada ni lah. Zero vector is written as zero vector has zero modulus, kan? Betul lah Equality, the two vector A and B. Why we have A1, A2, A3? Because this is vector. So vector, we know that they have a 3 paksi X, Y and Z. Betul? So they put it A1, A2, A3. Okay, so this is what we call vectors. Are equal if and only if the three components are equal. That is, if A1, the entries in A1 and B1 equals A2 and equal B2, A3 equals B3. So we can say that two vectors are equals. So this is what we call zero component, zero vector. Maksudnya dalam zero it has zero component, A1 0, A2 0, A3 0. Okay, addition. So if you want to add two vectors, we can let's say we have a vector A and vector B. So find A plus B equals, so you have to add component 1 and 1, A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. Okay, and then this is a multiplication by a scalar. So we can multiply, let's say we have A equal lambda B, so we just multiply lambda with A1, lambda with B2, and lambda with times B3. Okay, and then this is a D is distributive law. Lambda A plus B equals, let's say we have this equation, so we just expand it because A is A1, A2, A3, right? Comma. So plus B1, B2, B3. So we have to add A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. Then in bracket we put lambda. So when you expand it, expand the equation, you can get this, and then you can summarize it back to this one. So lambda equal A plus B, sama lah. Subtraction sama juga macam tadi. So example, given the vector A 1 1 1, B negative 1 2 3, and C 0 3 4, find A plus B. See, this is a vector. So vector, you have to add on A1 plus A1, so A1 plus B1, B2, A2 plus B2, and so on and so forth lah. So find A plus B, 2A minus B, A plus B minus C, and C is a magnitude. So how to do it? Simple, right? You just add like this. So because this is a vector, so you get the answer is D is we can say like A1, so A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3. So you get the answer. Okay, so A plus B minus C is a zero vector. So C can be defined by kosong power of 2 plus 3 power of 2 plus 4 power of 2 square, kan? Sama dengan 5 lah. So C over this one. So C is 0 3 4. So you just put 1 over C over 5 lah. So you just multiply is okay, you get this one. Next example, you have given A 2 negative 1 2i 3j plus k, B sama dengan I 1 5 negative 2. Actually you can put in this I can give you whether 2 negative 1 or I can give you in this I j k. Okay, so the vector D equals A minus 2B plus 3C. How to find it? First, you just multiply 3 with C. 3 C apa? 3 times 3 negative 4, 3. You just put I j k and then 2B you times 2 times B. B is a 1. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you just do like this, and then you get the final answer is so how to get 9 25 14 because this is for I. Okay, I, J, and K. So you can add the same derivation only for I, J, and K. So you get 2 minus 2 0 plus 9 9. Okay, negative 25 9 plus 1 10 10 14 14k. So the magnitude of D is D I j k power of 9 power of 2 negative 25 power of 2 14 power of 2, and then you square root, get 902. A unit vector in the direction of D where, so this is the answer. Next, this is a scalar product. The scalar or dot or inner product of two vectors A dot B. Okay, scalar or dot or inner, we call it A dot B. Maksudnya A1 times B1 plus A2 times B2 plus A3 times B3, ataupun A dot B sama juga dengan magnitude A times magnitude B cos theta. Okay, these are the basic rule and properties of the scalar scalar product ataupun dot for inner. A dot B sama dengan B dot A dot in bracket lambda B sama juga dengan lambda A dot B equals lambda in bracket A dot B. For addition, A dot B plus C sama dengan A dot B tambah A dot C. Kalau minus pun samalah. And then for powers, one simple point to note is that A dot A sama dengan A to A. Okay, sama dengan yang ini, sama juga dengan ini dan ataupun ini. Okay. So given the vector A 1, negative 1, 2, B, negative 2, 0, 2 and C 3 to 1. So your job is to evaluate A dot C, A plus B dot C, A dot in bracket 2B plus 3C and D A dot B times C. So I think this is simple. You can do it, okay, but there is a answer here. Okay, please do before you please do the exercise first before you move to the answer. Okay, try first. Okay, then scalar or dot product. Okay, find the angle between the vectors A. Your job here is to find the angle between two vectors A and B. By definition, A dot B sama dengan AB cos theta, betul? So you get A times A1B times B1 tambah A2 times B2 plus A3 times B3. Okay, so you get berapa? So this one we have 1 times 2 and then tambah dengan A2 2 times 0 and then tambah dengan 3 dots ataupun 3 times 4. So we get 2 0 12. The answer is 14. Okay, and also 1 2 3 magnitude for 1 2 3 is A. So A magnitude sama dengan 14. So magnitude for B sama dengan 20. Let's from the definition of a scalar product, we know that A B cos theta. Okay, so you can find theta sama dengan cos inverse inilah 7 power square root 7 over 10. Okay, so that is the answer. Next is a cross product. Cross product will put in new video lah. Okay, so next video will discuss on cross product. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.